Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the new update that's been out for nearly a week now for the Android October update, security update. Now with my videos, I know what I do is that I install them obviously on the day that's released, and I keep testing it throughout the actual nearly about a week or something, and then I give my opinions on how it is and so forth. So I'm late with this, but like I said, I test it for at least a week. Get it, find out if there's any bugs or whatever, if there's anything else, and then I give my review. So let's just get into it now. So the first one was to do with actual Wi-Fi. Now obviously the Wi-Fi could have had stability, it has stability fixes, and all pixels is for all pixels. If you have any kind of disconnecting, or if it was connecting and then it was obviously disconnecting after a while, or just wasn't connecting or something, that's supposed to be a fix now on this one. Now I don't personally have those issues anymore now with the Wi-Fi and stuff. I think that's fixed on the previous update, but this one's, if you have it, that's resolved on this update. Number two was a notification file. If it, obviously information coming through, missing notifications were showing up on the Pixel stand itself. If you had the Pixel stand, just stick it on there, and if you had a notification to come through, it wouldn't show up on there at all. And that was only for the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. The rest of the Pixels were fine. It's just only obviously the one that I've got and the 3. So again, if you had to used to leave it on the nightstand or whatever it was, on the stand itself, or at night, or if you throughout the day, whatever it was, and you received a notification, it wasn't showing up, that should be resolved now. So that should be fixed. And number three was to do with sensor calibrations. This is now for 3 and 3 XL. Now I don't know exactly what the sensor calibrations was. It could be to do with GPS, the gyro, or the proximity sensor. When you pick it up or something, it obviously wasn't functioning. Obviously had some tweaks in there. Obviously that's been resolved now. If you had any kind of, if you leave it on standby, you had the kind of always on display, maybe that was fixed, or that was caused the problem. That should be fixed now. Also, there was also system stability on all phones, maybe having problems with crashes or general functionality of it, of using the phone itself. That should be fixed now with this update. So if you get kind of stuttering or whatever on trying to open apps or whatever, that should be resolved. The fifth one was to do with probably a UI memory drain, where you're trying to open the app drawer. Again, it was just not working properly. Again, it's taking its time or something. It just wasn't the memory on itself was taking too much to actually do it. And again, the general usability of the phone, it should be fixed as well now with this update. And the sixth one is to do with the fixed heads-up notifications. Now, obviously, when you get notifications pop up, they weren't popping up now. Before, if you had any issues like that, now this should be fixed with that now. So you should be getting notifications pop-ups. Again, I didn't have any of these issues before. I was getting notifications come through fine, so that should be resolved. And number 7 was to do with gesture navigation. Again, it's improved stability, obviously with the gesture navigation, stuff like that, we're using it when you want, obviously going back and forth, obviously, and so forth. The Google Assistant has been improved as well with this update, and also the app drawer itself and has been improved as well. Like I said, I'm not adding any of these issues, but obviously if you've had these issues, hopefully you see an improvement with this. And number 8 was to do the boot loop is fixed for certain device models, local models. Is that obviously you could be stuck in a boot loop and you could not get out of it, and obviously you'll be on obviously kind of rolling, it was just getting stuck, startup stuck, and so forth. Hopefully that's fixed. This update hopefully fix that issue for you. Otherwise you'd be stuck for quite a while on the phone. And general overall, there's about 27 security patches altogether. I mean, I'm not going to go over all of them, but the ones that I'm reading out are quite important as well. But the other 27 obviously are really, really important. And something to do was really important with this update is something to do with remote app taking control of your phone. Now this is probably, I think it must have been in the Play Store. Well, I can't remember the name of the app. Obviously, if you install that, somebody could actually get control of your phone running that app. Some arbitrary code could be downloaded through that app, and obviously some third-party person could obviously take control of it. Now that's a big security breach. So obviously with this security update, that's very important to actually get it installed onto this phone straight away. And the rest of the stuff was to do with media framework, system, kernel components, and open closed source Qualcomm components as well. So it's quite a lot of other stuff in there that I really need to get patched on this. Obviously, it's been out for a week now since I'm recording this video. Hopefully, we've already updated this phone with the October security updates. Hopefully, these issues have been fixed for you, and you see an improvement if you've had anything. So far, I mean, I'm overusing it over a week now. I've had no issues whatsoever. Obviously, this update has been really good. General usability has been fine as well. The battery has been spot on at the moment. I've got 60% at the moment. Again, that's just a general use of phone calls, social media and so forth like that. But generally the battery does last me a day. I don't get any kind of stutters on this phone. It's still smooth to run at the moment now, and it's still a joy to use, and I absolutely love it. So that's it, guys. That's just a quick update for me on this October Android security update. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. Please leave a like on the video, and please turn on the notification bell icon so you can, when I upload a video, that you don't miss it. And please leave a comment on this video if there's something that you liked about this video, or don't, if I missed anything else out or you want to know anything else. Yeah, leave a comment please. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.